First, log in using the credentials you set when registering your account. Once logged in, click the Add Student button. Here you can create an account for your student, allowing them to access the test environment. When you're ready, click Next. The second page asks two quick questions. If you are confident that your child is entitled to 25% extra time, please click Yes. If you're unsure or if their status changes, you can adjust this in the settings later. Next, select your child's current attainment level, which can also be changed later. Once you're done, click Next. The final page requests your student's current school, followed by their target schools. This information enables us to provide the latest admission insights and track the scores required for entry. When complete, please click Create. Your student will now be visible in your account, and you can manage their account from your dashboard. Please note that students must log into their own accounts in order to take tests.